What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It is drift day, as you can see. Tom's getting the most important thing strapped up. He's trying to ride this to the driver's meeting, but it's taking so long we might miss the driver's meeting. Shout out to Brian for making that. Real MVP. Yeah. Ditzler's here. What's up, Ditzy? He's over here manhandling shit. Tom gets to test his Tahoe pool in his car for the first time. Ditzler got a rattle. Unfortunately, I won't be driving. Here, hold
We out here mobbing deep in this bitch. Don't get scared now. Here, record this.
Dude? It's our fucking.
This is our get around, bro.
Get around.
Why is there?
Our license plate.
What? We gotta go to the store.
Here. There you go.
What you need?
Hey guys.
Okay.
I thought you guys were actually like.
Tony's here. We got the whole crew. The whole crew. We do tires. $10 a tire. Whenever we turn on the machine, people just flock over like crazy. If you see, tires mean business though, so we're in business.
Other Tony's got hurt, and then it's Sam and Tom behind me.
Yeah? Sick? Son? Fuck yeah. We got Mark and his girlie here. Ryan, we got a big crowd going on. Tires, go fucking figure. Stop building pressure.
Yo, I need some flyers. Maybe you can link the track.
Oh, we can. Around this bitch. That's how we get our B-rolls. You can kind of smell it. Well, putting Duracell to work today. What's up, Mark? Yo, give him a recap, dude. How's the day going?
Yo, day's going pretty good. I can't see fucking anything, so.
Here, we'll switch sides. I got the shades on. Alright.
I'm gonna grab mine.
Got Tony lounging in the drift cart, chair, whatever you call it.
The drift got them wheels.
Ooh!
Yo, what's up, guys? So, day's going really good. Went through sets of tires already, and we're going out for a second session.
Get over here, Tony. How are you doing today, Tony?
Good.
How's grip? Tell them what's up. Tell YouTubes what's up.
We're drifting.
Yeah, but like tell them grip-wise what's up. I don't know, just give them a little catch-up.
What do you mean grip? What's up, Tony?
How's your grip on the track?
Oh, shitty.
What's your tire pressure?
40. It's just slick out there.
Is
dusty. Shitty.
Oh yeah, you guys are running some good leads.
Yeah, feels good. Feels good.
Good chase. You guys look good. Ryan looks real good back there. So yeah, we're just chilling, hanging out. I keep finding Red Bulls and drinking them.
Is that a large one?
Yeah.
You dick, that was mine.
It was on my truck, dude. Is that why I'm feeling funny, dude?
Yeah. Yo! There it is, dude.
No!
Yo, what are you doing? Turn it back on.
I don't want it to blow up. I fucking jumped my car.
Did you rebuild it?
No, but I do want to jump my car with it and shit, you know?
That has nothing to do with the fucking air compressor.
Fuck you guys. She's done for. She's done for. Shout out to Duracell, you've been real.
Off before I lose any pressure. That's fucked up.
That's fucked up, man.
Jeez. 2 tires that filled.
2. And it's
Full.
FRS drivers, keep it stock. Don't go LS or else they'll catch on fire. So we're gonna see what Ditzer got. Nice turnout today. Tony's right there, Benji's right there. There's my truck, and the rest of the gang is like right over there somewhere. Oh, I see him. Ready? We'll zoom in on him. Oh. Well, they're back there. How's the track feel?
Pretty good.
Everything good? What's the
Not too
conclusion with the...
I don't know.
Who the fuck cares, right?
I think right now we're just gonna rip it.
Alright.
Good long hair.
Smoking Dave's barbecue. Dave. Jeff.
Hey, you gotta redo that. Dave won't do your roll cage if you're fucking.
But so far so good. We're all getting food. I got loaded nachos. What'd you get? What'd you get? Jeff, what'd you get? Sandwich. Pulled. What'd you guys get?
What? How'd you get our
Hot dogs. Alright, what'd you get?
Hot dog. What, we don't get 4 hot
No,
dogs?
we got beef brisket nachos.
Beef brisket nachos? Oh, you fuckers ate the last of the beef brisket.
Yeah.
I had to get pulled pork, you fucks. Ditzler, what are you doing?
It was last minute fucking community. Last minute? Yeah, it's like about 4:30 in the morning.
He found it under his wheelchair welding cart.
That's story stuff.
Yeah, that's Stoystown ingenuity right there, dude.
I thought this was, at one point, this was someone's house.
Yeah, this was somebody's house, and these were the 79 signs on fucking sides.
Is it actually?
Yeah, this is the crate, like, you know, the signs on like the highway. That's like the,
Later, Dax.
yeah, later, man.
We'll catch you at the next one.
Do you think they had their lazy boy probably right over there in that corner?
That's what I was trying to wonder. Where was the bathroom at? What do you think the front door was?
Wow, you can open your door now, dude. Raised it up 1 inch. Yeah.
That's why I want a motorhome. I would just sleep here. Like,
Sleep here?
honestly, I would take like a
No, you
nice
can't open the
nap.
door. Look at this.
Dude, you couldn't do that before.
That is true. You couldn't even get that far.
Oh, you dented it.
Big hammer to the top of it.
Alright.
Yeah,
So,
just mend it into it. We have stickers still. Blue looks like a what we got most of.
he lost the other 20.
I lost the other 20.
M saw me give them to him. Or I gave them to
I
you.
might have, yeah, I think you might have given them to me, and I put them somewhere for safekeeping.
Oh, really?
But I hit them too well. So they're safe somewhere.
Yeah. Where were those ones?
They're on the loading stand.
But where are the green ones and the purple ones?
I don't know where the.
No, I didn't.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed what you saw here, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and we're gonna keep doing this and we're gonna see you at the next one. Love you.